Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
And Esselstyn.
And today we're doing a recipe out of the Engine 2 cookbook. And it
Beautiful cookbook.
Well, this one's destroyed. This is called, it's on page 76, and it's called Lick the Bowl Peanut Sauce. It's so yummy and so delicious.
And I have to say that it is something that all the children, all our grandchildren, just devour.
This is actually a little bit different.
If they could, they would lick the bowl.
This is a little bit different.
Oh.
This is a cooked one. This is my brother Ted's favorite recipe. He said, this thing is so good. I have a whole bowl of the noodles and sauce, and I just want to lick the bowl. It's so good. So that's why it's called Lick the Bowl Peanut Sauce. Again, page 76 if you're following along. And it's a cooked sauce versus just in a blender or in a Cuisinart or however you make other sauces. And I'm asking my mom to not scrape my knife this way because it dulls the blade. I'm asking her to scrape it this way. I don't think it's ever going to happen.
Nope.
Nope.
Because the best way to catch this all up is
you didn't catch
edge.
it. Catch it. But okay, we're going to move on to the sauce. So it starts with some peanut butter, and we have about 2/3 cup of peanut butter. And Tovolo, can you get all that out? That would be great. And then in here we're going to add garlic, water, rice vinegar, tamari, maple syrup, curry powder, and hot sauce. So what we have here is the yummy part of this, which is the ginger. And this ginger was the amazing ginger that Polly talked about in her soup video. It is so fresh. I couldn't go to my ginger in my refrigerator that has a hide almost as thick as the ginger itself. So this is about, this looks like close to 2 tablespoons, but I think we need not quite that much. Then 3 cloves of garlic, minced up. So when you get that minced up, Mommy, just put that in there. And then a cup of water. I'm going to just tap it, tap temperature, because we're going to cook this. It doesn't have to be warm or anything. 1 cup water.
Whoop. I scraped it the wrong way.
Oh dear! Oh dear! No, I just learned that recently, so I'm trying to implement it myself. And then we're going to put in rice vinegar, and we have. I don't
know how to scrape the stuff when it's all over the place if I can't use the sharp edge.
You can, Mom. No, I meant. That's perfect. It's actually it's a little bit cubed. Maybe we can just mince it a wee bit more. But that's fine. I mean, you did a beautiful job. You did a beautiful job. Okay, so in it goes. In it goes.
Notice she's putting it in the not sharp side when she's scraping it.
Just trying to save our knives. We have a sharp knife that Polly gave us as a gift, and I do all I can to have that not make contact with boards or edges or anything. Okay, so we have the fresh ginger in, we have the garlic in, we have the water in, the peanut butter, the rice vinegar. Now we have 2 tablespoons of tamari. We use low sodium tamari. There's also, what's the kind that you use all the time?
It's 50% less sodium.
And tamari,
made by the same company, Sanjay.
Tamari is like soy sauce, but apparently it's gluten-free, and I don't know how tamari and soy sauce are made enough to know why it's not gluten-free, but I like that it is that way. 2 tablespoons then of maple syrup. So this has got a little bit of sort of every flavor in the book, it feels like right now. And 2 teaspoons curry powder. I thought I could get, here, you want to do that? And then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. And the hot sauce we're going to choose is sriracha, because I think we could pronounce it better than the Cholula. But a teaspoon, I'm just going to call a teaspoon that.
Oh!
What, is that okay?
I don't know.
All right. So then this, once it's cooking, it's amazing what happens. It's sort of, it gets all liquidy and frothy, and then it becomes this beautiful, consistent sauce with uniform. And so we're just going to have this cook down. Whoop! We're going to have this cook down, or cook and integrate itself. Or what's the word? Not integrate. It's going to, what's that? Coalesce, but there's a word in our cookbooks we have to do.
Coagulate? That's what Anne said.
Not coagulate. What is the word?
Integrate.
I think it's going to become one texture, and I'm going to know this word when we come back. Okay, so we're going to do some jumping jacks and Maybe a little bit of yoga while this is cooking. It's only going to cook for probably a few minutes. All right, ooh, okay. We can even leave that right there to drip over. All right, here we go. Oh, look at that. Can you smell that?
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't that look great? Now it's all smooth and combined.
The word you couldn't think of.
I know,
Jane,
it's combined. I know, it's combined.
It doesn't take very long.
No, it takes no time at all. We just did a little mini workout. So everything is now warm and smooth and saucy. And I have here
Jane.
my amazing noodles to try it on. And I want to know what kind. These are our favorite. These are millet. These are millet and brown rice ramen, not ramen.
No.
Yes, millet and brown rice ramen from Lotus Foods. Some of our favorite. So this whole thing, like I'm getting all, what's it called? Like salivating about this. So let's get a little wee ladle, and we'll try. Wade, do you want to try some?
I'd love
I
to.
think you'd like this. So here's just some lick the bowl peanut sauce on our millet and brown rice ramen noodles. And
for people,
we could put some scallions or something on there so it looks pretty.
yeah,
but
yeah.
I know, but right now we're going to go with this. Ah,
beautiful,
yum, yum,
Jane.
Yum. Well, and then,
Ooh.
doesn't that smell amazing?
Oh,
Just that little,
Yeah.
curry tones are so good with that, with the peanut butter and all the other flavors.
Oh.
All right, I'm salivating.
I can hardly wait to
All right,
to try.
Wait, will you try?
Yeah.
I think you like peanut sauce, so you might be a fan of
Oh,
this.
yeah. I'm gonna love this.
You might need some hot sauce.
You might need Wade likes hot things. You want some hot sauce on yours?
No, it's okay.
Taste it first, and then we'll put some hot sauce. If you need it, we got it right here.
Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's so good. It doesn't even need hot sauce.
Mm-hmm. Do you see why he was licking the bowl? It's so yummy.
I think you can put this on anything.
It's so good. All right.
Oh.
Hey, take your peanut sauce, your lick the bowl peanut sauce, and tell us
Ooh.
if you feel like it needs anything. Oh, it is. It's heat. It's sweet. It's flavor. It's in your nose. It's in your throat. Oh my gosh.
And you know what is so nice? Is you don't need a lot of it. Just a little of this goes really a long way.
I was about to add more to my bowl, actually.
No, Jane.
All right.
It goes
hey,
a long way.
Thanks so much.
Woo!
Bye-bye.